Hello everyone, welcome to Object Oriented Programming. I am Zinkal Patel and I am going to teach you new topic, that is reference variable. Now here, let me remind one thing. In data type video, we have learned derived data type. That derived data types are array, functions, pointer and reference. Now that reference means a reference variable. Now what do you mean by reference variable? Now C++ introduced a new kind of variable that is known as reference variable, and it provide alternative name or alias for a previously defined variable, right? For example, a variable integer a is already defined, right? Now we can give alias to a variable a, right? So the reference variable must be initialized at the time of declaration. It means when we declare a reference variable, we have to give a variable name to it. We have to provide another variable name to in that, right? When a reference variable is created, you must tell it which variable it become an alias for, right? After you create a reference, whenever you use that variable, you can just treat it as though it were a regular integer variable, right? alias हमने declare किया है लेकिन it treat as regular variable. But when you create it, but the important thing is when you create it, you must initialize it with another variable, right? जिसका हमें alias create करना है, alternative create करना है, वो variable को must initialize करना पड़ेगा, right? So that whose address it will keep around behind the scenes to allow you to use it to modify that variable. Now let us see the syntax of reference variable. Like data type reference variable. Now here ampersand sign is used. Now ampersand sign is used for what? Ampersand is used before reference variable. When we declare it, indicate that it is a reference of a particular variable. Like here we can give a reference variable name and equal to, we can initialize regular variable. That regular variable is already defined before, right? Now so here regular variable is that already initialized, and a reference variable is an alternative name or alias to represent the regular variable, right? This is the syntax of reference variable. Now let me explain example of reference variable. For that, first I have to open Turbo C. Now after opening the Turbo C, here the structure of program is already displayed. Like here I used two header file, that is iostream.h and conio.h, and main function, it is integer main clr scr get ch and return 0, right? Now first I declare regular integer variable like student age, that is initialized by a value 10. Now let us create a reference variable with ampersand sign. Like reference variable name is age and initialize with already created variable, that is student age, right? So here age variable is referred to the memory of student age variable, right? Now let us display value of that variable student age, and endl for new line. Let us display value of a variable, that is reference variable age. Now if I write age equal to age plus 10, if I increment 10 to age variable, and after that let us display value of student age and age after adding 10 value. So here let us display to student age and age variable again after adding value 10. Now let us run the program. Okay, student age is 10 and age is 10. Now after adding value 10, student age is 20 and age variable is 20, राइट. तो हमने एज वेरिएबल में यहाँ पे चेंज किया, फिर भी स्टूडेंट एज की वैल्यू जो है वो चेंज हो गई. ठीक है, स्टूडेंट एज में अभी कुछ चेंज नहीं किया, लेकिन उसके एलियास में चेंज किया, सो इट विल चेंज द वैल्यू, राइट. It will change the value of student age variable also, right. So this is the example of reference variable. So here we complete a reference variable. small topic है, लेकिन इनुमरेशन के साथ ये भी एग्ज़ाम में आता है 2 मार्क्स के लिए या तो 4 मार्क्स के लिए, राइट. सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर दिस टॉपिक फॉर 2 or 4 मार्क्स, राइट. थैंक यू.